Hi everyone, I am JULKA. Today in geometric progression, we'll talk about sum of infinite series. Sum of infinite series of a GP is A divided by 1 minus R, where A is the first term and R is the common ratio. And we can calculate common ratio using formula second term upon first term or third term upon second term. So always remember this formula, sum of infinite series is A divided by 1 minus R. We can explain with the help of example. Find sum of the series 3 plus 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 9 and so on till to infinite. Here A is 3, first term is 3 and the common ratio is second term divided by first term, which is equals to 1 divided by 3 is 1 by 3. Now sum of infinite series is A upon 1 minus R. Put A equals to 3 and R equals to 1 by 3. And after calculation, we'll get answer 4.5. Next example. Find sum of an infinite series 2 minus 1 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 and so on till to infinite. Here A equals to 2 and ratio is minus 1 upon 2, second term upon first term, and the sum of infinite series is A divided by 1 minus R. Here put A equals to 2 and R equals to minus 1 by 2, and after solving we will get answer 4 by 3. Next example. Find x equals to 3 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 1 by 2 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 1 by 4 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 1 by 8 and so on till to infinite. Here x equals to 3 raised to the power 1 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 1 by 2 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 1 by 4 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 1 by 8 and so on. When the base is same, we add powers. So we have 3 raised to the power 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 and so on till to infinite. It's a GP. Here first term is 1 and the common ratio is second term upon first term or third term upon second term, which is equals to 1 by 2. Now we apply the formula of sum of infinite series is A divided by 1 minus R. Here A is 1 and the R is 1 by 2. So we have 3 raised to the power 1 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2. So the after calculation we have x equals to 3 raised to the power 2, which equals to 9. Next example. Find value of x which equals to 2 multiplied by 2 raised to the power minus 1 by 2 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 1 by 4 multiplied by 2 raised to the power minus 1 by 8 and so on till to infinite. Again the base is same, so we add the powers. So x equals to 2 raised to the power 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 8 and so on. It's an infinite GP. Here A equals to 1 and the ratio is second term upon the first term equals to minus 1 by 2. We know the formula of sum of infinite series is A divided by 1 minus R. Here A is 1 and the R is minus 1 by 2. So after putting the value of A and R, we'll get 2 raised to the power 1 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2, which equals to 2 raised to the power 2 by 3. Last example. If x equals to 1 plus a square till to infinite and y equals to 1 plus b square till to infinite, then find the value of 1 plus ab plus a square b square plus a cube b cube and so on till to infinite. So starting with the first one, x is given 1 plus a square and so on. It is an infinite GP. The formula of infinite GP is A upon 1 minus R. The formula is A upon 1 minus R. So here A is 1 and R is A. So after simplification, we'll get the value of A, x minus 1 upon x. Similarly solve for y. Y is 1 plus b square and so on till to infinite. So y equals to 1 upon 1 minus b. And after simplification, we'll get the value of b, which is equals to y minus 1 upon y. Now we calculate 1 plus AB plus A square B square and so on till to infinite. Again we use the formula of sum of infinite. A upon 1 minus R, A is 1 and the ratio is AB. Now we put the value of AB. A is x minus 1 upon x and the B is y minus 1 upon y. And after simplification, we'll get the answer xy divided by xy minus xy plus x plus y minus 1. Xy cancelled by xy, so the final answer is xy divided by x plus y minus 1.